it easy, Uncle. Well, so far so good. We're having a blast. We're coming to the last two for the evening gown. Ladies and gentlemen, make some noise. She's been a fan favorite tonight. Bringing her onto the stage, contestant number 6, representing Osama Station Olympics.
Thank you. This whole week has been amazing. I've learned so much about myself, and I've also made a lot of friends with the other fellow contestants, so I'm so grateful for this opportunity. Thank you so much. Well done. It's only 3 in here. Question number 5.
Question number 5. How can the Tauvaga community help the government to mitigate effects of climate change?
Thank you for the great question. Samoa, as a member of the Small Islands Development State, is vulnerable to the effects of climate change. Tauvaga, in partnership with donors, can be the ambassador to drive awareness, different projects, so that everyone understands the effects that climate change has on Samoa. Recently, there was a bill that was passed, the 3 Million Tree campaign that was passed in June 2022 for planting trees and carbon offsetting. Thank you.
How many trees did you plant?
More than you did.
But I didn't know.
What's about it? That's number 6. Wow.
แกวนมาเนี่ยที่พระแล้วก็ชีวิตได้มวยงานนี่
That's right, ladies and gentlemen, coming to our last concert. Ini naman ay EFI emergency pool.
พอมึงไม่ได้กลับเล่นฟันโม่ยิงอะไรอย่างยิงฝันยิงไม่ง่วงฟ้าเอา
Ladies and gentlemen, welcoming to the stage contestant number 7 for her evening gown. Walang fasili mo na FYFI, Batu Mai, Batu Mai, Famamiana.
For evening gown is from the discrimination to freedom. An educated community will prosper and flourish. Tonight, Paula is wearing a black dress to reminisce the struggles of our community, while gold spots indicate openings for Fafafine to succeed. Mainasawaina maupufai-fai Fafafine. Lea wasunuia ai leite malamalama malesau na tunga waiai. E manatua i pia le taiao na saina mai e naitina Fafafine walango maui tiasa. Auntie Tanya, Auntie Raja, ai maise le fio malbirestene ya Alex Sua malamamano Fafafine. Olonala e wo fiu mai maela olo a fia olonatino. O se Samoa tapena pena e langa ia se Samoa manuia. O lelei wa sapi Samoa o no tūlanga lelei o ana fuafuanga mamau. The inner piece of Laura's evening gown is silver, representing resilience to changes and stands out from all. Matamo fiele la eira fiona, pati bai, a fai o eiro mai nisi furu la manutani, ine nei la e, whanama o la Tauvaga. O la e sa Saudia and Rachel's creation.
Everybody make some noise once again, contestant number 7. That's the reveal of her evening gown. All that white time.
Oh, you're looking so beautiful, lovely, lovely. That's like a pulo uno. Dealo kuman mayakakuy umomi ngayon umomi kaka. Here. So again, once as well. Tauvaga, you had the week of Fafafine week. What did you learn from it? What was your experience like?
I'm sorry, I don't understand what you're doing. It's
So the Maya Basso Tato Fafafine. Rasa niya na mo mayan, pinagawa rin si ay may ata-ata. Rasa niya ang asa mo may tatulaya sa Fafafine.
After I don't see you, because it's my first time.
Translation with our English. Now we feel the same time. And I was sitting at a Copenhagen. Question
Question number 2. Do you think Fa'afafine and Fa'afatama are given the same opportunities in life as men and women? Pe'eti manacholo tutusa vanoi le neiso kuanga o maua Fa'afafine a Fa'atama e pe o li'i matamaitai.
No manatuia e leo tutusa. Ele sabe nem o amateur que não se ela vai falar a minha família é justiça se tu não lá vai levar mais lá tu o fai lá vai se toilet se vai falar
With us, her answer was she wants to become a toilet.